Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to turn a horizontal video into vertical format using Capcut on your PC. This particular format is perfect for Reels, Shorts and TikToks. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Also, before proceeding, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your Capcut on your PC and then click on your new project. Over here, click on this import option and you need to simply import your horizontal video by dragging it into the main media bin. Then you need to drag it and drop it here in your timeline just like so. Now we are ready to switch the canvas size. So here, as you can see, this is the horizontal format. So click on the ratio option over here. After clicking on ratio, you need to just scroll down and select this 9:16 aspect ratio. So that's the standard vertical format for the mobile content. So as soon as you click on it, you will see the canvas flip into a vertical layout, but the video will still appear in the center with black bars on top and the bottom. So here in the right hand section, you will see this slider. So you can simply just use this slider in order to arrange this particular video so that it could fit in your window just like so. You can also drag in and fill the vertical frame. You can also reposition the video to focus on the subject. Make sure that you have the important elements that are in the video in the center and not cut off. Now once you are done, simply click on the export option in the top right hand corner and export this particular vertical version in your PC. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.